Sorry about that, my battery died. I got most of it. I'm gonna chop this big piece here. I got it connected to the Avant, and we're gonna pull on it. There's nothing left.
Huh?
There's nothing left. There's just a little nub left.
You can use this, or you can use my 362 so you're not doling your stuff up.
Oh, thanks.
Nice is that not 900 degrees too.
Oh yeah, this is nice. Perfect day.
fucking tree?
Oh yeah, that's right.
You want to try it?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
See how this fucking works? I use the drill.
See how this fucking works?
All right, so again, this, you know, obviously forwards, backwards, what one direction or the other. So I think, yeah, that's gonna be the faster way. If it'll take my fat ass up the tree, should.
Yeah. Oh,
All right,
true.
so I need to clip this to myself as my climb line.
And the rigging line's gonna be a backup?
No, you're gonna pull the rigging line. That's what's gonna take me up. But in case that breaks free, I have my climb line that's keeping me from falling back to the ground.
But we don't have the other end though. What do we do now?
Damn it.
Damn it. I was so stupid.
You're right. We don't have the other line. God damn it. All right, well. Yeah. It was worth a shot.
Yeah. Maybe next time.
Maybe. Damn.
Which, if you had time, you know, we could easily throw a block up there with my rigging rope and stuff if you wanted to do that. Just for fun.
Yeah.
Because we can throw that up there from the ground. And then you wouldn't even have to go up there to put it up there, too.
Well, if we're gonna do it, let's just throw it up over that one crotch and see if it works.
Okay. Yeah.
Just to test it.
No.
That'll save me a lot of energy.
Yep.
I got your rope.
Okay.
You can use that. I probably could have used that tree.
Hey, dry all this stuff out.
Alright, so
So you take this thing and put it on the rope. And then your rope becomes a really long sling, basically. And you pull this whole thing up and over. Or, well, no. You pull one end up, then you connect this to the other end. You don't have to put this up there.
I can just throw a line. It's pretty, I think we'll get it pretty easily.
Yeah. I only do this once in a great while. Do you need the slingshot?
No.
Okay.
Note to self. Keep rigging line on. Oh, I caught my fucking back of my harness, dude.
Oh. Let me try from here.
Wrap it around.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna be better if we throw it from this side, only because when I pull it,
We have so much of your rope over here, we could almost just use yours.
what's that?
We have so much of your rigging rope over here, we could probably just use the other end.
Use the other end.
Mm-hmm.
What do you mean?
to get it up there.
We don't have anything to pull it down with.
Uh,
You know what I mean? We don't have the other end to pull down.
well, isn't this 200 foot? We'd have enough. Oh, you got it. Yeah, baby.
I got over the kind of the funky end, but
Like if we use the other end of your rope, you know? But that's all right. I already got mine out anyways. We'll just use this. Okay. I could take a Peter. Yeah, we still need yours.
why don't we just use that as a rope?
Watch this. Have you ever done this before?
No.
You used to, if you wanted to put a block up there from the ground, this is how you do it.
Oh, okay.
So, and then you don't have to climb up there.
I guess what I was saying is we just use that, the rope we already have, as the, but if you wanted to have a block.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Yep. And then just tie this thing off.
Why don't we just use that as the rope we're using? Pull me up.
Well, don't you need a pulley up there?
I have a pulley.
Or don't you need a pulley to use this system to pull you up?
We could use a natural, it's just a natural crotchet.
Oh, gotcha. Well, this is it'll be more slippery for you.
Yeah, I got you. I get that.
Are you unsure about this system?
No, not at all. We just
No.
have that tree.
If
The question is,
if you feel unsafe
what
with
is
it, don't do
gonna
it.
pull me up? Oh, my rigging.
Mm-hmm.
I got you. No, I'm good with the system.
Yeah.
If I have my climb line, I'll be safe the whole time.
Yep. I
Just
gotcha.
Just do tie that up. Yeah. Look, I understand what you're saying. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Tie that off so it can't go anywhere.
Yep.
Like get off my butt.
think I got it.
All right, so I tied myself to this end then.
Yeah. Did you get another battery?
Yep.
Cool. GRCS. Okay, sweet. I can't believe there's one right here in front of me.
See my chainsaw. You hear my chainsaw behind you?
Oh yeah. So how does it stay in this part right here?
So I guess if you just keep wrapping it in that counterclockwise, this kind of just keeps feeding it into here.
Because it started coming out. See how it came out? Do you have to lift this thing up? No.
Just oh, I see what you're saying now.
Why is it doing that? Have you tried it yet?
Oh, I know. Oh, so hold on. You got to get it like under that.
I can't figure it out.
Get it in there. You see, I use my knee to hold the moving tail of the rope out of the really well seated in there, and then it comes out and it lays across the peeler, which is the part that removes the moving portion of the winch. It's important to make sure that the rope is really well seated in there, and that it comes out and it lays across the peeler, which is the part that removes the moving tail of the rope out of
So
the
that
winch.
keeps it in the.
So once you have it in
I
here,
see this right here.
Yes.
go
Oh,
ahead and you'll
sweet.
attach
Okay.
That's what we missed.
the winch handle, and then you're able to turn the winch, and one person can easily start operating the GRCS.
I'm glad you're the dummy. No, I'm just kidding. This looks like, you know, like there's nothing, like, there's ain't gonna be no issues with it.
All right.
So if I go this way to
That's the faster way.
or clockwise, that's the easier way, faster way?
Yeah, that's the
faster.
4-to-1 or whatever.
Okay.
Hold on, make sure I'm not twisted here. All right, let's see how this fucking works.
Dang it.
Bring me up, Scotty. Hold on, I'm twisting it. No, okay. You need to reverse the. Go ahead.
Should I reverse it?
It's up to you. I don't know if it'll. Was it working? Just zing it.
There we go.
Keep going. It's just setting the rope. going.
It almost like doesn't have enough power.
Huh?
It doesn't like have enough power.
All right, then hit the toggle on the trigger to flip the direction of the drill.
Oh, I did do that.
Oh, and that's the 14 to 1?
Yeah.
And it's still starting?
Your battery's full.
It's just torquing out, huh?
Watch.
So it's going to the left?
See?
Is it, which way is the...
Yeah, it's going to the left.
It's going to the left? All right, keep going.
I like...
It's just torquing out, I think.
Yeah.
All right, can you try the handle?
Yep.
I'm just curious.
Me too. Let's see, where did I put that thing?
Why that's not... You said the drill will spin into the left, huh?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Try to the right. Can you go to the right?
Yeah, but this is easy.
Oh, okay.
But
Just slower.
you're like, come on, today, Junior. Oh gosh, yeah, it's way easier going this way. You are fat ass. Just kidding.
And that drill will not get me out?
No. That Makita, I told you.
Try it again.
Try it again.
Yeah, that thing just, you gotta twist the front of it, and then it unlocks it and then pull it out.
Nope.
Try the other way. Flip the drill the other way. I'm just curious.
Huh, working now.
Hold on.
Oh yeah, you need to tend it.
Yeah, hold on. Do not let go because I don't have my rope tight.
Okay.
Alright, keep going. A little more.
It died.
Dive.
Yep. I'll try the other direction.
Okay.
Nope.
That's all she's got.
That's it, I guess. That's
It's
weird.
weird that it would stop
Yeah.
in the
'Cause-
middle of it.
It's got the power to do it, but it can't keep going like the battery died. But the battery's not dead. The battery says it's full. So you're just gonna climb the rest of the way?
Alright, so go ahead and unhook the yep,
Take it out.
got nice and slow. Unrigging. Alright, keep going. A little more. Now you should be free now of me, basically. Yep, I'm clear.
Disconnect it. Oh, you disconnect it?
Take this rope, my climb line. Can you pull my climb line here?
Oh, pull it.
Pull me in towards the tree. So I can set my...
No?
Well, and I might be able to hold from here.
Okay. Oh yeah, throw your lanyard around it and pull yourself in.
What's that?
Throw your lanyard around it, pull yourself in.
That's about, yeah, that's what I was going to try to do here.
Okay. Your headset's not working.
I'll get it reconnected.
Okay, alright, do I just need to push the button? There we go.
Excuse me. Can you pull me just a hair?
Yep.
Am I okay to walk past?
Alright. Hello.
Am I okay to walk past?
Oh, yep, you're good. Thank you. That's a core workout. Oh, you lost your blue thing here. Magneto. Yep. I almost dropped this on your head. I almost dropped this on your head. At least that's what it looked like from this angle. There we go. Over here. I'm not gonna say the things I was gonna say. I was thinking. What? No. Not to be a girl. No, I'm just kidding. I can't say that on camera. I don't know. It's a pain, but yeah, you just keep inching your way around, and then you get it. I know some guys, they're like, when they fall underneath, they're like stuck. They're like, can't get out. It's just, it's hard. It's not easy. Have you ever wrestled? It's kind of the same, if I feel like. That was any easier. No, you're not. It's just getting the new muscles. Yeah, using new muscles so you don't use all the time. I started my fire in the house last night. It's always nice. It got down to like almost 30 last night, so I started the fireplace up. It'll be nice because then all this stuff is wet and I can just put it in front of the fireplace and it'll dry it out quick. Since it's super sweet. Yeah, we went camping, or sort of like camping. We were in the cabins. They're like brand new. They're beautiful. Melissa and I were dreaming. We're like, if we ever do buy a new house or build a new house, we'd like to do that. Except, do the what? Yeah, we'll have like a log cabin and everything, like go all out. And but she doesn't like the wood look, the pine look inside. So she was wanting to do like it's a little bit of a whitewash toward like all the wood inside would be like a whitewash. Makes it a little bit more modern. That'd be sweet. It's a dream though. Okay. Yep. Oh, your watch fell off. Oh, I got it. Here. I'll put it. Come on. Yep. Sounds cool. Oh, good idea. Okay.